called the heart of Pakistan, is a city where history lives in every street, monument, and garden. For more than 1,000 years, Lahore has witnessed the rise and fall of empires from ancient kingdoms to Mughal Empire and the Sikh Empire. Today, we explore some of the most magnificent historical places that made Lahore one of the South Asia's greatest cultural treasures. Badshahi Mosque. Our journey begins with the majestic Badshahi Mosque, one of the largest and the most beautiful mosques in the world. Built in 1673 by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, this masterpiece of red sandstone and white marble symbolizes the grandeur of Mughal architecture. Its vast courtyard and accommodate tens of thousands of worshippers, while its elegant domes and towering minarets continue to amaze visitors from around the world. Lahore Fort. Standing beside the Badshahi Mosque is the magnificent Lahore Fort, also known as Shahi Kila. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has been expanded by several rulers, especially the Mughal emperors. Inside the fort are breathtaking structures such as the Sheesh Mahal, or Palace of Mirrors, decorated with thousands of tiny mirrors that glitter in the light. The fort tells stories of royal ceremonies, political integrities, and centuries of history. Shalimar Gardens. A short distance away lie the beautiful Shalimar Gardens built by Emperor Shah Jahan in 1641. These gardens are among the finest examples of Mughal landscaping. Spread across the terrace, the garden feature flowing fountains, marble pools, and shaded pathways. They were designed to represent paradise on earth and remain symbol of elegance and peace. Minar-e-Pakistan. Another iconic landmark is Minar-e-Pakistan, the national monument that marks the place where the Lahore Resolution was passed in 1940. This historical event laid the foundation for the creation of Pakistan, rising proudly above the city. The monument combines Mughal and modern architectural styles representing the nation's struggle and aspirations. Tomb of Jahangir. On the banks of the Ravi River stands the magnificent tomb of Emperor Jahangir. Built in the 17th century, the tomb is decorated with intricate frescoes, marble, inlay work, and beautiful gardens. Unlike many royal tombs, it has no central dome, making it unique among Mughal monuments. The site reflects the artistic excellence of the Mughal era. Lahore is not just a city, it is a living museum of history. From the grandeur of the Badshahi Mosque and Lahore Fort to the serenity of the Shalimar Gardens and the patriotic spirit of Minar-e-Pakistan, these historical places remind us of a glorious past that continues to inspire generations. As the sun sets over Lahore's ancient skyline, its monuments stand proudly, preserving stories that have shaped the history of Pakistan and South Asia. This is Lahore, the city of gardens, culture, and timeless history.